So now we given it. So I am coming to the next. I am going to create values. This is the navigation. Set of financial flex field key values. Okay.
Okay.
So now whatever we created, value set we already created. MA tab. Why I given the same now? It is easier to find it. See. So
Yes.
I'm giving MA business. Find. Here, see, I am giving the values. So 01 Pro software. Okay. Just give tab, allow budgeting, allow posting. Yes, it should be posted. Budgeting should be allowed. Then only it will hit the TB. So Wipro Electronics is there, right? It is having bulbs and all, no? Right?
Yes, sir.
Then what are the other business you know, Wipro?
Oil.
Oil. Is it in India?
Yes, sir. They manufacture hair oil and cooking oil as well.
Okay. As of now, I am giving 3. So we given maximum 2 digits. Okay. Suppose I am giving. So you can create any time up to 99. Okay.
Okay. So if
Suppose
it
I'm
is
giving 999. So it will throw error. Maximum length 2. So you have to correctly give. Okay.
and when we
Now,
put 5, it would
tell
be
me.
9999.
Yeah, you can give 99. You can fill zigzag. No problem. But maximum is 99. Okay.
So when you put the value set as 5, the digits as 5, that means it can go to 99,999.
Correct.
Okay.
Because you know account for various industries various, right? Manufacturing industry having many. Okay. So we
Okay.
give like that. Because business you can combine this and that, but this is different.
All right.
Okay. Okay. See, I given 0 Wipro total. So I want to put a parent. See, the owner doesn't want to create. Okay. You don't want to look into each and every business. So I'll give, you cannot make an entry in parent. Just you have to see. Instead of going to company 0102 up to 99, each one company business, I have to create a parent. See here, if I create a parent, all the child should be grouped under it, correct?
Yes.
So define child range. Please save it. It's saying I saved. Define child range here from 01 to 99.
Yeah.
So you can create multiple parent. So maybe 10 software company, 10 electronics, 5 oil company. You can regroup as per parent, total software like that. Whatever you want, you can do. I don't want to enter in the total company because it doesn't relate to any business, no? Like
Okay.
that. Now I can move the child ranges, everything. Okay, I can view the hierarchy, everything. So this is called parent. It is used for reporting purpose. Okay. Right. Now we created business. ME department. Fine. Okay. So department, you can give the less value. I am giving more. It is telling maximum of 3. I am giving 9. It will accept. Understand?
Okay. From 0 to
I am
999.
telling finance department.
Okay.
You see here, same. HR. Save. So I can create later. So we created for 2. Just come here. The main thing is account. Fine. So I don't know how many digits I created. Something I'm giving. What happened? Value set. Find value. So I'm giving. So it is throwing maximum of 5. So account how I am giving carefully. 1, 1. I'm giving cash. So all the asset I'm going to start with one series. Okay.
Okay.
So here account type, it should be asset, right?
Okay. Yes.
10002 datas. All the assets you should list here. Default it is expense. You have to give asset. Otherwise it will behave like a expense. You understand? So you have to carefully give. Normally they will use a data loader to upload this because there are
Okay.
many accounts, right?
Yes, sir. 1003.
Asset I can give furnitures. Like that you can give up to assuming 19999 I'll give all the assets. So whenever it coming I'll add it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now same parent you can give. Giving 19999. Maybe I am creating all the asset here. Maybe I am giving building. So whatever zigzag you can create. Okay.
Okay.
Asset. Save. So I created asset. So here also you have to create a parent like 1000 total assets. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I have to enable what?
Parent company
Yeah, I have to enable the parent.
and put
Immediately this fields is coming.
asset. Just
Okay.
change to asset and put range child company.
Range. Yeah. Please save the information. Saved it before. So I am putting
100121999.
exactly save. So you can create multiple groups, you know. So this is total. Like that, two is a liability. I am assuming.
Okay, so
Liability, capital.
two
Okay.
triple zero would be total liability.
So we are understanding the concept and doing slowly. So easy for anyone. So like that, up to 2999 you can create. Maybe I'll create loans. Okay.
Loan. Yes, sir.
So I'll explain you later. So I'm giving 399930001 for expenses, salary and all expenses. Okay.
Administration.
So expense default it is expense.
Okay.
400 for revenue. All the
Okay.
sales. North. So revenue. So and one more is there different. I'll give this retained earning. Retained earning what?
So previous year's earnings that was not
Correct.
distributed
Previous
to
year
the company.
profit or loss carry forward to the next year. So there is a different type called retained earning. So then only the ownership or stock. Okay.
Okay.
But then only the system recognize. See, system is just a computer, correct? You have to tell. So now I clearly told. So like this, it will work. So what all we done the setups today?
So we went, we created the company, we put
Hmm.
segments into it, we made the accounts for it. That is asset, liability, expenses, and income. And then also along with that, we defined which is the child company, which is the parent company, as well as we put in retained earnings as well, and how to give value for it and the range.
Hmm. Okay. So initially what we created, chart of account name, then
Subcategory,
subcategory. Chart account name we given, created segments.
Segment.
Then we assign the segment 1, 2, 3, how the flow, which segment you want, the first one, sequence. Then we created value set. Fourth, we assigned value set. Fifth, we went to flex field qualifiers. Okay. All we created, then we came to values you created and you assigned to, and you given segment qualifier. Segment qualifier here you given no type is asset or liability or that is segment. So you have to know the difference between flex field qualifier where you are giving and segment qualifier. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Okay. So now I think these are the setups. I think calendar is straightforward. Currency is inbuilt in the system, and accounting convention we can pick up. Okay. So what I think, any doubts you have, whatever we seen?
No, sir.